This is dangerous, and I don't like it. So I went to Home Depot and bought some wood. I'm gonna make some wedges to slide underneath the tripod stand so I can make them level and safe again. Let's get started. Without it, when the two pieces of wood are under load, they move very easily. They slide all over the place. But when you apply this Gorilla weatherproof seal, they're really hard to get to move and they don't slide. That's why I like to use the sealant. No sliding equals safer. That's much better.